up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with the BRZ behind us, about to get this thing prepped for some painting soon. This weekend I got a guy who's gonna start painting this thing and getting down on it, so I'm really excited for that, and definitely came a long way with this thing. So I think this thing's gonna be definitely ready very soon, so a lot more sooner than I thought it was gonna be ready, honestly. But yeah, check this thing out. It's all gonna get painted the front end. Pretty much what we gotta do tonight is take off some of these mirrors on both sides. I'm gonna dig deeper into the doors and see what we gotta do to take off some of this trim right here. Got some black trim, I don't know if you guys can see that. We gotta get all that off, prep for painting. So yep, getting very close guys, and really excited to see how it's gonna look after that. This thing's gonna look like a brand new car. But yeah, as you guys know, I'm gonna throw a carbon fiber hood as we already showed in the last videos. So definitely already got this thing, you know, back to spec. I don't know what else to say about it. But yeah, we got our mirrors and all our parts over here. The garage is kind of a mess right now, not gonna lie. So check it out. That thing's hidden under there. That beauty gem hood right there. And then we got some banged up. Oh no, those are the new headlights. Oh, those are the shitty headlights over there. But anyways, yep, this thing's coming together, guys, and I couldn't be more happier, honestly. So you guys, excuse my coffee. But anyways, check this thing out. I think Subaru really did a great job at this interior for the 22 BRZs and up. Pretty much, I got the premium version, but I did do some swapping out with some limited parts. So I put the nice limited door panels on a while back. And I got some of the limited back trim as well. That's looking really fresh. It was basically like this. This is cloth right now. Planning on putting some bright or some Sparko seats in here. I don't know, you guys can let me know what I should put. That would be pretty cool to get some suggestions. And then, I mean, they got a big old screen over here. This thing's pretty sick. And then we got a big old screen in the middle too. So we got the digital dash, 6-speed manual transmission, of course. So yeah, this thing's clean, man. So let's just get right into this removal real quick, shall we? Alright guys, so this is basically going to be kind of like a how-to video too. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to take off these mirrors off the BRZ, which is a very easy thing. For somebody who doesn't know and maybe has some things they want to change on it, so they can look at my video and they can see how to do it. So let me show you how it's done, shall we? Alright guys, so basically what you're going to do here is you have a plastic piece right here. You're going to get a plastic trim or a flathead or something, you know, kind of good, so you can get this out right here. You could use a flathead, but you don't want to mess up your exterior doing that, so let me show you real quick. Gotta do the same on the other side. It's definitely gotta do it. Came out very smooth. Now that that's off, did I break this? Oh no, I didn't break it. Okay guys, so once you get that plastic piece out, you got 3 bolts right there. So you got 1, 2, 3. You can either get those out with a Phillips, or you can use a 10mm socket and basically just get those out. Once you take those out, you can easily take off the mirror. But before you do that, there's a wire that goes down into the door that you gotta take the door panel off for, so you can unplug it. So let's go ahead and take off that door panel now. Alright, so if you can see right in there, you got a little plastic trim over that. So once under that, there's some bolts you got to take off to get into the door panel. So let's go ahead and take that off. You should just be able to get a screwdriver, a little flathead, and just work it out. So that should just pop right out. Couple Phillips right there. You go over here. Inside the door, you got a little plastic piece that's in here. So me, I just grab it with my finger. Once you pop that out, get a little plastic trim piece, and that should just come right out. There you go. Once that is off, you got another bolt that you got to get off from right there. Alright guys, so after you guys get those 3 bolts out of here, all you gotta do is just get behind here on this side of the door and just try to pop it out. And just pull it towards you. And that should just pop right out. And you work your way around. Grab this part, yank that sucker right out of there. Once you guys pop that door panel off, we gotta find the wire that feeds to the mirror. Let's go ahead and look for that.
Oh, you just got to disconnect this.
Alright, so now we're going to pop this mirror off. Just got to pull it off a little bit, give it a little bit of strength. And then my grandpa's going to go and grab that mirror. And then he's going to try to yank on that cord. Should be somewhere over here. Oh, I see which one it is. It's going to be this white one behind here. Go ahead and unplug that one right here. And the mirror should come right out once he pulls on it. There it goes. So feed it through nice and easy. Alright.
Yeah.
Now mirror's out.
Damn, it went that far in. I thought it was like right here. I thought
it did, huh?
This looks like a plug, but you could unplug it from here, but
yeah.
You're smart enough to know.
Yeah, no, so that was a pretty long wire that goes in there. So once you get that off, that's all there is to it. And pretty much the same is basically gonna go for the other side. You gotta unbolt it from this side. 3 bolts, that plastic outer clip. 3 bolts on the door panel again. Pull it off nice and easy on the door panel. I decided not to unplug all this stuff because I need a plug, so there's really no point in me doing that. So that little plastic connector there, and that's how you take it off of a 2022 Subaru BRZ or GR86. So yep. Alright guys, so that was pretty much the how-to video on the mirrors. Basically it was just removing those 3 bolts and everything we went over. So pretty much now what we gotta do is get the car ready for some painting. So now I gotta roll down this window. He wants all the trim taken off on this top part right here. So we're gonna be removing all of that on this door, and then yeah, let's go ahead and record the rest of that. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for tonight. Got a lot done. Got the Subaru all ready for some paint work soon. Took off all those trims and got the mirrors off. So got a lot done today guys. Gonna get the car painted over the weekend. You guys are gonna see the master complete the car, the Subaru build. And then plus we're gonna get some good content on this thing. Got some more videos coming for some more parts. Make this car fast as hell. Yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, thanks for watching the channel. Have a good night. Peace.